So this is what I had prior to making my own, or converting from this that was put in originally and to that. Just gotta fill that up. And anyways, this plate would go on the wall, and then the outside face would sit on top of that, and screw it with 4 screws. The problem I had was the exhaust would come out, and then this is the inlet right here. That's the inlet, that's the exhaust. The exhaust would blow all that stuff out, and then the inlet would suck it right back in, so it basically goes in and out, which I didn't like. Plus it made all the mess on my brick, and what I did, I had to come up with that. Inlet is here, outlet is way away from it, so they're not even close to each other. And like I said, that was before, and it's a real poor design. Gas furnace. So what I had here was the original plastic. I'll show a picture of that. And that was the inlet and exhaust. So I would do, the exhaust would push out, and then the inlet will suck right back in, so it was basically doing all this. But then as you can see on my brick, it left the residue from all that exhaust coming out, basically leaving moisture all over the brick, and then turning to white when it dries, and on and on and on. So I did, I got the elbow for the inlet, so nothing gets in. It's like a little mash. And then the outlet, I ran the outlet all the way up, so that way they're not even close to each other. Fasten it to the brick so it's not going anywhere. It's nice and tight, and that's about it. It solved my problem. So now the outlet, all that vapor exhaust, that gas smell comes out. It blows right off. It's above the roof, and can go ahead and wash all this stuff off my brick, and that's it.